growing, keep believing in yourself. Gurukul Academy is always with you. Oh my God, let's not spend too much today.
Yes, we can share a pizza.
And one coffee.
Cappuccino for me.
Ice cream for me.
Let's sit near the supplies.
Yes, that corner looks good. Kasturi, hi Raksha, are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. What do you want to eat? I want to eat burger. I want pizza. Okay, you can take pizza. Do you want cold coffee? Yes, I want cold coffee. How was school today? School was good. Any homework? Little homework. Okay, now forget it. Just enjoy. Let's. Akshita, it's nice to see you. Hello Tanmay, nice to see you. How are you? I'm doing well. Thank you. And you? I'm fine. Just a little stress from work. I understand that cafe helps you relax. Yes, I like the ambience. It's peaceful and comfortable. What do you like to have? I'm thinking of having coffee. What about you? I will also have coffee. Good choice for meeting. True, a warm drinking always helps during discussion. Shall we start agenda? Yes, of course. You want to talk about project, right? Yes, we divide our work. Sure, I can handle presentation part. I will manage the news and data collection. That sounds good. When is deadline? Thank you to meet me today. Agree. That time give us review. Bye, Akshada. It was a productive discussion. To Akshada. Sure. Good day, Tanmay. I am so hungry today. You are hungry every day. Food keeps me happy. Okay. Burger for you. And cold coffee. And fries. Of course, bro. Let's sit near the big lamp. Wow, look just nice. Can we meet every Sunday here? Yes, why not? I should have some relax time and company too. Grunesh, finally you are here.
Yes, I got stuck in traffic. I think so. I am late.
No worry. What do you want to order today's party from me?
I feel like having cold coffee. What about you?
I will take coffee too.
Great choice. Let's grab a table first.
This cafe has a nice climate, right?
Yes, I really like the atmosphere here.
So, how is everything going these days?
Busy, but okay. Just needed a small break.
Same here. A coffee break is always refreshing.
True. So what's new in your work life?
A lot of new projects.
You will handle it.
Thanks, bro. And what about you?
I am starting new course soon.
That's great. What was that?
It's about my new science project.
Oh, what topic you are doing then?
It's about smart city. In that, main is solar tank.
So, wow, cool. It's a great idea. I like it.
Me too. I have a big plan.
Great to see this. And yeah, best of luck to you.
Thanks, bro. Let us chill for some time.
Oh, Brunesh, I didn't expect to see you.
Same. Just come for a break.
Evening cafes feel very calm.
Yes. What will you drink?
Hot chocolate.
I want caramel cold coffee.
Shall we order garlic bread?
Yes. Let's share.
Let's sit here. Good place for relaxing our mind and get fresh for work.
Yes. Perfect lighting. We need some self-time for refreshment, and this location is perfect.
Apurva, we must complete the other project outline today.
Yes, the deadline is close. Let's begin.
I will work on the introduction.
And I will write a main point.
Good.
We can complete everything by tonight.
Let's do it.
Purva, you are late again. So sorry, work took time. It's fine. Sit. What will you drink? Cold coffee. I will take lemon iced tea. Yes, let's share. Evening lighting here looks perfect for the chilling. Should you order something to eat? Maybe a small pizza? Yes, very calm. I like this climate and cafe too. We need to finalize the team list today.
Yes, we must choose players who are regular in practice.
I think Rahul should be goalkeeper.
Yes, he is good for striker. We can take Aniket.
Agree. We did 2 substitutes.
And I check the attendance sheet.
Good. Let's make our team stronger this year.
Oh, evening cafe hit different.
Yes, the vibe is perfect.
What should we order?
2 grilled burger.
And price?
Obviously,
Let's sit on the third table.
yes, look at the group or piece. We can work there.
How are you now? You were absent yesterday.
Yes, I was ill yesterday. Now I am feeling better. Thank you for asking.
I brought the class notes for you.
That is so helpful. I didn't want to fall behind.
If you need help, call me.
I will thank you again.
Sidney, evening cafe are perfect for study.
Yes, not too noisy.
What will you drink?
Iced tea. You?
Cold coffee. Should we eat something? A simple sandwich.
Okay, after eating you will finish your notes.
Yes, and then we take a small break.
Teshwari, did you watch the choreography video I sent?
Yes, it looks nice. We need to practice footwork.
The timing must be perfect.
We can practice 30 minutes after school daily.
That will help a lot.
I will bring the speaker tomorrow.
Good, let's try our best to win.
Yes, we will.
Teshwari, the dessert counter looks amazing in the evening light.
Yes, everything seems fresh.
Do you want brownie?
Brownie with ice cream is my favorite.
And 2 cold coffee.
Done for today.
Let's sit outside for some time.
The evening breeze is nice.
Teshwari, the dessert counter looks amazing in the evening light.
Yes, everything seems fresh.
Do you want brownie?
Brownie with ice cream is my favorite.
And 2 cold coffee.
Done for today.
Let's sit outside for some time.
The evening breeze is nice.
Prerna, which book should we choose for next month? Something simple and inspiring. How about The Magic of Thinking Big? Yes, that is a good one. Easy language and good ideas. We should recommend it to the group. Yes, and we can prepare a discussion question too. I will write 5 questions and I will prepare a summary. Perfect. This month's meeting will be interesting. Prerna, which book should we choose for next month? Something simple and inspiring. How about The Magic of Thinking Big? Yes, that is a good one. Easy language and good ideas. We should recommend it to the group. Yes, and we can prepare a discussion question too. I will write 5 questions and I will prepare a summary. Perfect. This month's meeting will be interesting. Now, this is my first time coming to a cafe in evening. Evening cafes are the best vibes. Yes, lights look so soft. What do you want? I think I will try hot chocolate. Good choice. I will take a French fries. Should we get a dessert too? A brownie with ice cream. Yes, perfect. I could not find my assignment printout.
Did you check your folder properly?
Yes, it's not there. I am worried.
Don't worry, I have a pen drive. I will print it again.
Oh, really? That will help me so much.
Of course, let's go to the print shop after this.
Thank you so much. You saved me today.
Anytime, that's why we sit together in class.
True, I am feeling relaxed now. Nyanda, evening cafes are so peaceful.
Yes, the soft music also feels nice.
What should we eat?
Garlic bread.
And fries?
You always want fries, but okay.
What will you drink?
Lemon iced tea.
And cold coffee for me.
Let's sit in that corner seat.
Yes, it looks cozy.